Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on Keyboard and Input Method. Then select Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Following that, just click on Text Correction, scroll down and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you will turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!